So go on Virgo for Leo. I mean,
That's fine. I don't use that.
Virgo for Leo for Loki. Oh, Jesus Christ. Damn his name. Right into her boobs. Kaname.
Okay.
Kaname, that was my napkin. That was my napkin with snot on it.
That's fine. I'm not using your napkin with snot on it.
You want to use it?
No.
Do you want to use it?
No.
Here you go. Princess's snot. Gift.
Here.
What do I need to take it back? I want my bottle of syrup back.
No! The syrup is mine.
Damn it.
We rule the syrup.
Now I'm
The
sad
strawberry
panda.
syrup. You're sad panda?
Yes, I'm sad panda.
Why?
I have my syrup.
Why Kaname? Why Kaname?
Fail Kaname.
That's another random bottle over here for no appropriate reason.
I think that's a different flavor, that's why.
That's blueberry. I'm taking all of these.
I have back.
I have strawberry. I
What do
win.
I have to take? What do I have?
Listen to Kaname. You must obey Kaname.
Damn.
No one defies Kaname.
Damn.
No.
Yes.
Sorry. Oh, shh. Be careful.
So it's coming.
Oh my gosh. Well, be thankful that the whole thing didn't fall.
Oh my god, you would have got soda all over you.
Yeah, and I'm like, ugh.
Messy, messy kind of.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I had to clean the soda like this. It's not fun.
No. No.
Very good smoke.
I spilled bacon. Oh.
Never.
Black woman looking at us.
That's fantastic. I was like that, and it went.
What was that? A booger?
Oh.
Yes. It's one big white booger.
Hold on, I can't do this with my shackles on. And yes, the shackles are on.
Shackles. Her shackles are off. She's free.
Good job.
I put my shackles
In the waitress's mind. Damn, I have to clean that up later. Yummy! Yummy, 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 yummy. In the top. Did you just...
You just broke it.
Show the bed.
Or the paper apart.
Never gonna be the same again.
Now it's good.
It's never
But it's
going
not
to
the same as it was once before.
The cake is a lie.
And then I just
Hey,
like
guess
flashed
what?
my ring.
Guess what? You lost the game.
No! No!
I wasn't paying attention, so I win.
Nope. Don't knock over syrup. Or soda.
I hear comics.
No, I would give it away.
Okay.
Hello.
My chain went in between Lucy's legs. It went right in between Lucy's legs.
Derp.
Derp, derp.
What are you doing, Kaname?
Wouldn't you like to know?
I love how I was putting my chain on her leg and she wasn't even paying attention.
Kaname's like rubbing on my leg.
Hi there.
Hey.
Hey.
Here you go, Kaname pussy.
No.
Princess, it seems like I've seen the boyfriend before you. Even the most unlovable spirits get love.
You get loved by the lion.
Everyone. Oh my god.
Too much my drink.
That was from mine, so you know.
Oh, I don't care.
No, it was a deadly poison.
Pancakes that are being devoured. She's devouring her pancakes.
All spirits
He is devouring his pancakes. And Kaname got an omelet. With pancakes.
I was gonna say.
With blood.
With blood. That's blood, not ketchup.
Yeah, it's a special ketchup.
Yeah, see? That's a lie. This is a lie.
We really have to order special ketchup for Kaname.
Yeah.
whipped cream. Everyone eat the noms, eat the noms, eat the noms, eat the noms. Go ahead. Eat your noms.